I'm a girl who does a lot. I have a full-time job, I'm a grad student, and I'm building a business. And there's just not enough hours in a day, so my weekends usually get hit the worst. So instead of complaining like the old me would, I started doing midweek resets to actually help me rest and recover. My name is Khadijah, and here on my channel, I share productive routines for the busy girls who do it all. If that's you, welcome home, girl. You're now locked in. One of the best things I've done was do these midweek resets where I'm not necessarily cleaning, scrubbing everything down till it's sparkling clean, but just kind of like straightening up rooms here and there, or wiping something down, or maybe deep cleaning one item so that when the weekend comes and it's actually time to clean, I don't have that much to do. I promise you, it's a game changer. I've been doing it for like a month and I'm in love. And I know a month is not like a super long time, but we're doing this in real time. I'm sharing productive routines that are in real time helping me thrive in life. So I'm just sharing the tips as they come. Okay. So I'm going to set a 10-minute timer and we're going to lock in starting with laundry, and then we're going to go on with the rest of our day.
My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? Made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller.
This chicken smells so good. Oh my god. I hope it tastes as good as it smells. But it's gonna go on a grill. My husband's gonna grill it.
You say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they free, knowing I lie for you, thinking I die for you. So they should cry for you. Do things when you want me to, like controller, controller. Yeah. Like controller, controller. But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk, then go tell my story. It don't work like that when you lost somebody. My old flex is my new flex now, and we're working on it. That's why I need all the energy that you bring to me. My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to you, I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah. Like controller, controller. Yeah. And I'm never gonna waste.
All right. I think that was a productive midweek reset. What do you think? I hope you say yes. So we did a little bit of cleaning. We meal prep for the rest of the week, so we aren't eating salads. I know it's boring, but listen, the salad was fire. The salad was so good, my shirt had to eat. You see that? My shirt had to get some of that. It was so good. So overall, I think it was a success. So I'm about to end my night with a nice hot shower, do my skincare routine. Probably gonna read a book. I'm reading Kennedy Ryan's Real book. So good, so good. But I really enjoy doing these midweek resets because, like I said earlier, they just make my weekends run so much more smoother. I'm actually able to rest a lot more because I do a little bit at a time, ahead of time. This coming weekend, there's really not much else to do besides finish laundry and then clean the bathrooms. That's it. I will be resting on the couch for the majority of the weekend, and I love that for me. If you're not doing midweek resets, please try it. Please try it and tell me how you like it, because I know you're gonna like it. But that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video or you found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.